In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change residential address in Exness. If you've recently moved and need to update your address on your Exness account, the process is fairly straightforward. And the main thing to understand is that this change is usually handled through Exness support, and you may need to provide updated documentation before the new address is approved. To begin, go to your Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your account settings, trading accounts, and support options. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account before continuing so you don't accidentally request changes for the wrong profile. Once you're inside your personal area, look for the support hub and click on it. This is where Exness provides help for account-related issues, including profile updates like changing your residential address. If you don't immediately see the exact option you need, don't worry. The support hub is designed to connect you with the right assistance. From there, choose how you want to contact support. You can select the live chat option if you want real-time assistance, which is usually the fastest way to move things along. If you prefer, you can also click Help to create a new support ticket instead. Live chat is helpful if you want to ask follow-up questions right away, while a support ticket may be better if you're submitting the request and waiting for a reply later. When you're connected with a support agent, clearly explain that you need to update your residential address. At this stage, the agent may ask you to confirm some account details for verification. For example, you could be asked for your trading account number, your support PIN, and the reason for the move. This is a normal part of the security process and helps make sure the request is being made by the account owner. After that, you'll need to submit new documents and wait for approval. In most cases, the documents should show your updated residential address and match the information you want added to your account. It's a good idea to make sure your documents are clear, current, and easy to read before sending them, since unclear uploads can slow down the review process. Once your documents are submitted, Exness will review them and confirm whether the address update has been approved. If anything is missing or needs correction, support will usually let you know what to fix. And that's how to change your residential address in Exness.